In this video, I'm going to be showing you a software that I use to edit my videos. It's called Recut. It's very useful for removing silences within your video. Every time you have a pause, like so, or you make a mistake, you can set the threshold so that it actually removes small points of your dialogue that you don't want. So I'm just going to open it up now. And here it is. We've got the threshold, a minimum duration. You can add padding between the beginning and the end. Remove short audio spikes, skip silences, cut where all tracks are silent, cut where any tracks are silent. And when you're exporting, you can export the audio, the video, you can change the resolution of the video file, and that will save the video on your computer so it's ready to upload straight away. You can export it as a XML file straight into your video editing software, and you can work on it more. You just drag it in. Straight away what it does, it automatically creates cuts where there's silences in your video. The video was 6 minutes 17, you can see here, and it's now 4 minutes 20 because all of the silences have been removed. Every red part here is a silence. So it's automatically created 83 cuts. If I remove this tick box here and show you what the video's like at the beginning. And this software has revolutionized the way that, and this software has changed the way. You can see that these awkward silences make it not as enjoyable to watch. It makes it quite boring. So if I just click this tick button here, skip silences, what will happen is it will just skip straight over it and make it a lot more smooth. So press play now. And this software has revolutionized the way that, and this software has changed the way that editors work. So usually, like with Final Cut, so for these bits here, we can actually change the threshold, minimum duration, and now it'll actually get rid of all of those parts that are, you know, no good. Now what would be a good idea is if I export this now into Final Cut Pro and just call it Recut Descript Video. It will create a file like this one, and then when I open it, it'll ask me where I want to put it. I'll put it in there, that's fine. When I go on here, right, so today I'm going to be, I can quickly delete these two, don't need them, like with Final Cut. So today I'm going to be taking a look at this new software. So as you can see, my first take was not that great. It was a bit all over the place. And so what I can actually do is just get rid of that first take, get rid of that bit. I'm not going to do any more because there's, you know, quite a bit of editing to do still to this video. It's dramatically decreased the amount of work that I need to do on this video. I mean, this video was about 6 minutes long and it's now 3 minutes 15. It's very easy to go through the video and see what parts need keeping, which parts need deleting. Then after that, it's a case of getting to the other things like color grading, editing the sound, maybe adding in some sound effects, some overlay, some graphics, some motion, you know, all of those things. But the hard part of actually getting rid of all the bad bits, that's already been done by Recut. I think that's amazing. It's $99, which is about £77 if you're from England. It's gonna save you so much time. I recommend actually just downloading the trial, give it a go. That's what I did. I'm still here using it all the time. And it's a lifetime purchase. So you get the license forever. It's going to speed up your workflow. If you do want to check that out, I will put a link in the description. And if you use my link, you will get $10 off the initial purchase. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please consider subscribing so that you get to see more videos just like this.